Have you ever wondered if you're living a true love? That feeling that goes beyond movie romances, something deeper and more genuine? Well, today we're going to talk about the signs that you've found true love, the kind that transforms, embraces, and gives life new meaning. Sometimes, we get lost trying to understand if what we feel is real or if we're just fooling ourselves. Right off the bat, the first thing you need to understand about true love is that it's not about perfection. No one is perfect, and that means genuine love isn't either. So, forget the idea that true love means no conflicts or differences. In reality, one of the biggest signs of true love is how you and the other person handle challenges, how you grow together, even when obstacles arise. Authentic acceptance. Imagine this. You're in a relationship where you feel free to be yourself, no masks. You don't have to pretend to be someone you're not or fit into an idealized version of who you think the other person wants. This is one of the first signs of true love. The person accepts you, with all your flaws, quirks, and even your bad days. And most importantly, you do the same for them. True love doesn't try to change the other person. Sure, we all have areas to improve, but the person who truly loves you will want you to be the best version of yourself without trying to mold you into someone else. They'll support your ambitions, encourage your growth, but never take away what makes you, you. They understand you and make you feel at home, even when the world seems chaotic. Mutual respect. This is an essential point that is often overlooked. Respect is the foundation of any healthy relationship. And I'm not just talking about respecting boundaries, which, of course, is extremely important. But also respect for opinions, values, and feelings. When two people truly love each other, they can discuss anything respectfully, even if they disagree. There's no power play, no fight to see who's right or wrong. In true love, you don't feel the need to put the other down or win an argument at all costs. You're both on the same team. And in a team, one doesn't try to knock the other down but walks together toward the same goal. A study published in the Journal of Marriage and Family showed that relationships based on respect and healthy communication are much more likely to last. That's because, when there is mutual respect, even moments of disagreement become opportunities for growth and strengthening rather than undermining the relationship. Deep emotional connection. Now tell me, have you ever felt that connection that goes beyond the physical? That feeling that you understand each other, even without saying a word? That, my friend, is one of the hallmarks of true love. In genuine love, the emotional connection is so strong that you feel the other person truly sees you, understands you, and cares about your well-being. You communicate on a level that goes beyond words. Sometimes, it's as if the other person's gaze already tells you everything. When something bothers you, the person notices even before you say anything. They feel what you feel, and you do the same for them. This emotional harmony is essential to keeping the relationship strong, especially when times are tough. Couples who maintain a deep emotional connection are more likely to resolve conflicts constructively because there is a foundation of mutual understanding. Unconditional support. You know you've found true love when the person by your side is your biggest fan, even when things aren't going well. When you feel like you have someone supporting you, encouraging you to move forward, no matter how difficult the path may seem. This unconditional support is one of the greatest proofs of love. And it's not just about being present in moments of victory when everything is going well. True love shows up especially when things go wrong. It's easy to love someone when everything is perfect. But in true love, support remains strong during difficult times when you feel lost, unmotivated, or when the world seems upside down. If the person next to you offers this support without judging your failures or fears, you can be sure you've found something rare and valuable. They are with you for the right reasons, not because you can offer something in return. Mutual growth. Another point many people overlook when talking about true love is mutual growth. Love doesn't mean staying stagnant in the same place or holding the other back. On the contrary, true love pushes you forward. When you're in a healthy, genuine relationship, you feel like you're growing, as a person, as a partner, and even professionally. And here, I'm talking about growth that goes beyond the superficial. In true love, your partner challenges you to be better, but always in a positive way, helping you see your potential and move toward your dreams. You do the same for them. It's a reciprocal process of support and evolution. Dr. Carol Dweck, one of the leading experts in developmental psychology, often talks about the importance of a growth mindset in relationships. According to her, couples who share a vision of mutual growth can build healthier and longer-lasting relationships because they understand that love is a constant process of evolution, not something that remains static. Unshakable trust. Without trust, no relationship can survive, and in true love, trust is unshakable. You don't have to worry about mind games, doubts, or hidden agendas. Everything is clear, open, and honest. Trust, in true love, goes far beyond just believing that the other person won't cheat. It involves trusting that the person will always have your best interest at heart, that they will be there for you when you need them, and that they value the relationship as much as you do. Trust is knowing that you can be vulnerable with the other person, without fear of being judged or hurt. And trust doesn't build overnight. It's the result of many small daily actions, honesty, support, and being there for each other. When you find someone you can truly trust, it makes all the difference. And, of course, trust also involves giving the other person freedom. In true love, there's no room for uncontrollable jealousy or manipulation. You know that your love is solid enough for both of you to have your own lives, your own dreams, and still be together, sharing the journey. You have fun together. Last but definitely not least, in true love, you have fun together. And I'm not just talking about big adventures, trips, or parties. I'm talking about those simple moments in everyday life when you can laugh at the silliest things, enjoy each other's company, and find joy in the little things. Humor, lightness, and the ability to laugh together, even in the most mundane situations, are signs that your relationship is healthy. After all, life is already full of challenges, and when you find someone who can bring lightness and joy to those moments, you realize how special that connection is. In the end, recognizing true love is a combination of these small signs. It's feeling like you've found someone who accepts you, respects you, understands you, supports you, and above all, makes you happy. Because true love isn't about grand gestures or extravagant declarations. It's about being there, day after day, in a sincere and genuine way. If you're committed to your personal development and want to keep evolving and leveling up, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Here, I always bring practical and powerful content to help you keep growing. And if this video helped you in any way, make sure to leave a like so that more people can be impacted as well. In the description, you'll find links to books that I've carefully selected, works that can completely transform the way you think and act. It's definitely worth checking out. And don't leave just yet. Take a look at the suggested videos here on the screen. They will help you even more on your personal development journey. See you there.